All right, YouTube. So someone purchased this BMW and traded it in either at one of our used car dealerships or at the auction. You remember what year this is? 18 M3, M4, M4 comp. Ooh. So I guess the guy went and had a full exhaust done on it, catless downpipes, saved the catalytic converters. You can only imagine what the system cost, $5,000 or more.
I couldn't tell you.
I'm gonna say over $5,000, right?
I don't know if this is. I think this is a kit. I don't think this is custom.
No, it is. They bought the exhaust. It's definitely a kit. But what I'm saying is, could you imagine what he spent for this exhaust system on this car? I would have to say over $5,000. And I'm gonna say that for one reason: it pays 10 hours labor just to put those cats back on. 10. And I don't even know if it's gonna fit to the aftermarket exhaust. That's a whole nother level of shit that I have to deal with. But they have a huge service department over there, and they're like, yeah, we want no parts of that. Yeah. Dump the crap over here at this place. So let me unwind this mess, and we'll put it back together. And I hope that those cats don't have efficiency codes, because that's going to be a real kick in the balls.